Today in this video, we'll see how to check the visa processing time of Australia. So for that, go to the Google and write visa processing time and then enter. Click on the first link, then go down. You can select the visa type. My one is 191. My visa stream is regional and I applied on 25 and then click on submit. Then here you can see the processing time, which says 50% of application can be processed in 8 months, whereas 90% is 15 months. And also you can check the status and the email count. If you haven't know about email count or how to track the application, then you can watch my this video. The link is on the top and also in the description box. I hope you know now how to check the processing time of Australian visa. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found the video helpful, then please don't forget to like, comment on my video, and also subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.